Welcome, in front of me is HP ProBook 635, and in this video I will show you how to install and update drivers on your laptop. So first, open the web browser, connect to the internet of course, and search for HP Image Assistant application, like this, and then go to the first web page in ftp.hp.com, and right here click at this soft pack to install the image assistant. Then click on the downloaded executive file. Then click next, read and accept the user's agreement to continue. Then you can select the folder you want to install the application in, but I'm gonna go with the default one. Click next. Then the image assistant will start up, and you don't have to change anything here. Make sure that the target image is this computer and the reference image is from hp.com. Then click analyze and wait for a while. And once the analysis is complete, select. As you can see, we have two out-of-date drivers, the outdated BIOS version. So go to recommendations tab, then expand this tab and either select the drivers that you need, or just select all and download all the updates suggested by this application. Okay, and select this option right here, and then click start. Then wait for the download and install to complete. Maybe you will have to restart the PC once the update is finished. Okay, and the download is complete. And right now, if you got the notification in the meantime about restarting your PC after the installation is complete, close all the applications, the browser, file explorer, tap on the start button, click the restart, the power options, and select restart right here, and then wait until your device is restarted. And that's it. Right now your laptop is up to date. I hope everything went well for you. So thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.